This short video covers the assembly and most common fixture installation using Tripar's L-bar hanger. The L-shaped members are identical and designed to form a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch C-channel when assembled, fitting into Tripar's 1254 butterfly bracket or any similarly designed bracket. Slide the L-shaped end through one of the suitable locations in the butterfly bracket. With the second member inverted so together the pair form a C-channel, align the end of one with the marked line of the other. This allows the locking tabs to engage with the mating slot and then slide together. If using Tripar's 1254 butterfly bracket, squeezing the free ends of the butterfly bracket lightly together permits the L-bars to freely slide. Or, to allow the L-bars to slide unconstrained, over-squeeze the free ends of the butterfly bracket together. Extension may be locked with a simple turn of the locking tab to the vertical position, accessible from either the side or the bottom. To pre-lock extension for 24-inch space T-bar, align the ends with the appropriate mark and lock. This may be done once the fixture is up in the ceiling or even before. This will leave the distances between the T-bar notches precisely 24 inches apart. To pre-lock extension for 24 or 16-inch space joists, align the end with the appropriate mark and lock. Bend the upper alignment tabs inward, then raise the fixture between the joists. This will leave the end faces spaced exactly 1.5 inches less than the joist center-to-center distance, allowing them to fit perfectly within the space. To firmly lock the fixture on the bar hangers, simply bend the mating tabs on the butterfly bracket with a pair of pliers.